First, use a large shovel to scrape the tire in all directions for easy disassembly. The device is equipped with tire lifting function, which can directly lift the tire onto the device without the need for manual lifting. Align the tire with the hole on the center plate and secure the tire with a central cone lock. Adjust the position of the pillar and align the automatic bird head with the tire. Lower the pressure under the auxiliary arm and hold the tire edge. Use a brush to apply a circle of lubricant to the tire. Adjust the automatic bird head to lift the tire. Start the turntable and begin unloading the first layer of tires. Lift up the second tire and start the device to unload the second tire.